Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use arrows to move the icon into the indicated orbit. Alright, let's begin. First of all, in the first window, you'll see a number and an icon. In the second window, you'll notice a numbered list, 1 to 5, and various icons displayed alongside those numbers. Your task is to match the icon from the first window with its corresponding line number in the second window. Let's say the icon from the first window appears in line 4. You'll need to use the forward and backward buttons to move the icon to the correct line number. For example, if you click on the backward icon, the icon moves and changes the lines. When the icon in the second window matches the icon from the first window, click Submit to confirm. After successfully matching the icon, you'll move on to the next orbit verification. This time, you might see a different scenario like the alphabet and an icon. In the second window, you'll again need to position the icon on the correct line. Once the icon aligns with the designated number, click Submit to verify. Continue the same process for all the steps, and once you've completed the final match, you'll see a message indicating that the verification process is complete. So that's basically how you can use arrows to move the icon into the indicated orbit. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.